Hello kids, welcome to story time. Today I have come up with a new story called The Strength of Unity. There was an old farmer. He was a hard worker. He had saved riches. He was a very affectionate father too. He had 4 sons, but they were all divided in their thoughts. Moreover, they were also very lazy and lethargic. As years went, the farmer was getting older and older. He was filled with worry and sadness on the pitiable state of his sons. He was also worried on the future of his hard earned wealth. This worry and sadness made the farmer very sick and bedridden. He understood that he was counting his days. He wanted to help his sons live a happy and fruitful life, at least after he passed away. He called all his sons and said, "My dear boys, I don't know how long I would live. Why don't you leave your ill habits and start understanding one another? Life is very precious. You should not quarrel among yourselves. You should live together. Realize the strength of unity." The sons did not understand what their father was telling them. "What are you saying, father? How can we be united when our characters are different?" they asked in unison. The old and wise farmer wanted to demonstrate the strength of unity to his sons. He asked them, "Fetch a bundle of firewood. I shall make you understand my point." The sons followed their father's instructions. They brought a bundle of firewood and said, "Father, we have brought the bundle. What should we do now?" they asked. The farmer took a single stick and gave it to each of his sons. "Break the stick," he ordered. The sons broke the stick in no time. "Was it easy to break the stick?" asked the farmer. "It was child's play, father," replied the sons. The farmer gave 3 sticks to each of them and asked them to break. "Was it easy, my sons?" he asked. "It was somewhat difficult," the sons complained. "Now take the entire bundle and break it," said the farmer. However, they tried. The sons could not break the bundle. See, the more the number of sticks, the harder it becomes to break them. So is life, my boys. If you are united, it would be difficult for others to break you. Once you are united, you can live with prosperity, advised the farmer. The sons understood the meaning of unity and started to live together with happiness. The moral of the story is unity is our strength. So, thank you for listening, kids. Have a good sleep. Thank you. Bye.